The supermarkets. Without a doubt, one of the companies we did the most for one activity we did the most. Thousands of people around the world buy products at these establishments. There's just one problem: time. People complain about spending too much time doing this. People who have a previous planned routine say that they lose a considerable amount of time. There seems to be no solution. But Nico-san project have implemented the solution. Gain Market, an application that allows you to shop online by playing a video game. You can be anywhere, the office, the park, at home or school, and there's no need to travel. You just open an app in your cell phone or computer and it's like being at a supermarket. People can have avatars, which will be at online supermarket. It allows you to see the whole end products. When you're done, you take your avatar to the chasing machine where you will pay. When you put it, it's automatically charged to your credit card. You can also choose at what time your shopping will be delivered and wherever you need. Gain Market, the ultimate way to shop. With this app, I can save time. I don't spend gasoline to get there and I can spend my time.
It's great. Now I only have to go and pick my cell phone or my computer and I buy what I need. I can be more time with my friends.
This app is really good. I often forget to get my groceries. If I ever need something to buy, I can easily click for it. Gain Market, the ultimate way to shop.